Changing the battery out of my laptop here. The battery here, as you can see, has puffed up. So, got to order a new battery off of Amazon, but new battery. Connect there. Got a couple screws there. Then we fire it up. We got the battery installed here. Now, gotta put everything back together. Got it back together. All the screws are in. Now we got to fire it up, see if it works. Hey, fired up. Yeah, this laptop is 11 years old. Trying to save it to, this is a laptop I can take into like a cafe or go get coffee or out in public or whatnot. It's not powerful. It's not like if somebody stole this laptop and took it to a pawn shop, they might get $60, $80. But it's a good laptop to, coffee shop or something. You watch a quick video, stare out, go to a restaurant. It's 15-inch laptop. So, yeah, but fires up. Awesome. Success. Success. Take it in Loja. Take it in Loja. But this laptop also is what I used to use to create like all my YouTube videos. It was just couldn't handle 4K or anything over, I'll say 1080p. Pushing 1080p was kind of tough because it would just be like slow motion. So, but anyway, got it back going. That battery was $25. Amazon. I wanted to order off AliExpress or overseas, but it took they didn't have the battery in stock and kept saying out of stock, but ordered through Amazon, got it 4 days later. So as I said, success. I highly recommend anybody to change your own battery in their laptop, but YouTube it first. YouTube your make and model of your laptop and see if somebody changed out a battery or add an accessory to that laptop, and they can give you like tips. If you got any questions, message me down below, whatnot. But some of these electronics have it set up to where they don't want you working on anything. They ready for you to buy it, throw it away, buy a new one, or take it to somebody, and then they'll say something like, the situation I had, 13 years ago was I had somebody to try and repair my laptop, and what this person did was took apart my laptop in pieces and then said, well, there's no need to like save this laptop, it's not worth anything, I'll give you $20 for it. And what they were going to do was take apart my laptop, piece it out, and sell it, my hard drive and everything and make money off of it. So you gotta watch out for that. So that's why I recommend, and that's another reason why I try to learn like electronics, try to learn as much as I can. There's, you know, some tablets that I've been unsuccessful in trying to put batteries in, trying to save those. But yeah, I just recommend anybody like to do it, YouTube it and all. But that was my story. I mean, from that bad experience of this person taking apart my laptop in pieces and trying to keep it and sell it, I asked for my laptop back, and he brought it back in a box of pieces. I've learned from there to just YouTube and try to save, you know, any little technology stuff I have. Yeah, and then the toolkit, little tool thing I got that from Amazon. I think it was like maybe $20, and it came with all those screwdrivers and nut drivers and accessories and stuff like that. Another thing is, that's why I chose for my high power laptop. That's why I chose Dell computers, because Dell computers allow you to change batteries and add RAM and modify your laptop or your computer. Other manufacturers do not allow that. Apple do not allow you to open your stuff. Hewlett Packard, HP don't really allow you to open your stuff and modify your stuff. And they'll put little stuff in there like to keep you or deter you from doing that. So, but yeah, anyway, thank you for following my little video. I know it's long. Thumbs up if you got any questions. Comment down below. But till the next time, thank you.